Hey everyone, today in this video we're going to see how loud the iRobot Roomba Combo 2 Essential is, vacuuming at all 4 different suction levels. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's see how loud it is.